Hey everyone, welcome back to Code of the Row. In this video, we're going to be going over some Unreal assets, and today we got some new limited time free FAB assets. So we have this Day by Beach by SO Art, looks really high def in this one spot featuring rocks and sand. And we also have these Sci-fi Dogs by Shumni. I've showcased some of their assets on this channel before. Looks really cool, tons of skins. And we also have these medieval sewers. If you ever played Darkest Dungeons or something, it kind of gives me that vibe with these little medieval equipment, these textures, very spooky like. Looks really cool overall. And let's actually open up Unreal Engine and take a look at them. So I have the beach open. I'm going to hit Control-Shift-T to hide that toolbar up top. And it does look really good, just like the picture itself. This is using ray tracing right now. And you can see these really high quality looking sands. I'm getting some virtual texture errors, resizing things. And overall looks super, super cool. It's very sunny out here today. And overall, a really cool looking asset, really high definition. Let's take a look at these rocks. They look very much like Quixel assets or Quixel rocks. They could be, but you can see the really nice shadowing on them. And yeah, overall, really cool asset. Let's go ahead and take a look at the next one. So here is the overlay of the medieval dungeon. Let's just go ahead and start at the stairs over here. So once I'm inside, you can see it does look very game ready already. You can see it's kind of like 2D looking fiery textures over here. Oh, never mind. I guess it just need to load. Now it looks a lot better. Looks very realistic. You can see the shine of the fire coming off from the railing, even though that's just another point light over there. But still, really cool feature. We can go up these spooky stairs with some random candles here. And let's see. It kind of looks like a third-person Skyrim dungeon, in my opinion. And overall, it does look really cool. I am liking how this maze looks. There's some little assets here. And yeah, overall, pretty cool asset. Oh, and there's even some water. This is actually pretty cool. The water looks pretty high def when you're close to it, but it is pretty still. Oh, these are some nice looking skulls. I didn't even notice this. One of them missing the bottom side. Guess he got clobbered. And yeah, overall really cool. Let's go ahead and check out the Robo Dogs. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the Sci-Fi Dogs by Shumni. So first off, we can see here there's this gold and white skin. Kind of looks like an old school Zoid. Gold and gray, or sorry, white and gray with pink. Oh, there's collision with my camera. Okay. I was like, why can't I zoom in more? This red and dark gray one and this teal pink. It's a little questionable, honestly, but you can probably change the colors easily in the material section. And then it comes with a bunch of animations. So there's this, it kind of looks like it's taking a little bit of damage on the side. This one's idling. A bunch of like front attacks. We got jumps. We got moving side to side, dying. And yeah, overall, really, really cool asset. What a good boy. And yeah, and that pretty much covers the limited time free FAB assets. It's available until July 29th, 10 a.m. Eastern Time. Thanks for watching Code of the Row. Like, subscribe, comment below, and I'll see you next. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.